Alright, it's wheel cleaning time. Now I know we have done this so many times before, but we're going to go ahead on and do it again. And as you can see here, I've got the wheels on this block that I've made with all these little cuts in it. I make this with a router, and that holds my wheels so I can tell which ones I've cleaned, which ones I haven't, and which ones I've ox guarded and so on. And then when I want to heat treat them, this thing is good to go. It's just a piece of 2x4 with some cuts in it. Alright, so let's go back over here. Now there's my Harbor Freight, whatever it is, Chicago Electric or something. The wheels for this thing are dirt cheap. I think it's $7, and you still get this guy and that guy. This guy's the important one. This one we wear out. We got plenty of these guys. They last a long time. This guy wears out. Alright, so it's going to get loud, and here we go. Now remember, I'm going to make a trough. I'm going to make a trough to put these wheels in, and it's going to clean them right there. And then I'll be able to clean tons more wheel sets. But we're going to clean them right now. So here first is what it looks like right now. Alright, let's clean him and see what he looks like. Alright, now this is what he looks like. Way better than before. I'll just go ahead and do the rest of them, and we'll leave this. They're all going to turn out like this, and it'll be great.